Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tan Investments. Stocks for tomorrow. I have three stocks in my watch list, one on the buy side and two on the sell side. Depending on the market move, we will see which one can favor maintaining a strict stop loss. We'll always work and look for intraday targets because market के sentiments का कोई भरोसा नहीं है boss. For now, market is depending on one news or one global factor and it is dancing on their tunes. बुलिश है तो कोई हद या सीमा नहीं है बुलिशपन की. Straight it is just going on and on, wherein I see still this today's fall can be a healthy correction unless and until downside 17,900 or psychological level 18,000 is protected. आज gap filling के लिए market आया. Gap filling was somewhere around 18,070-75 levels. 85 से reverse हो गया. So tomorrow we'll see gap up or gap down. We won't chase, we'll wait for 15 minutes. Let's come on stocks. First, on the buy side, we have Axis Bank. Now, why Axis Bank? If you see a set of green candle, I'm in a good bullish move and then a small retracement. अगर आपको Fibonacci retracement आता है, you can plot a Fibonacci retracement on a daily time frame. From recent lows to recent high, you will see a healthy correction and a retracement of the price at 38%. So that's where my stop loss is for now. I will only look for a buy on this particular stock, Axis Bank, if starts moving around or above 737. If my buy is triggered, my long trade is triggered, I will maintain a stop loss at 714, 713 at max. My intraday targets 750, 52 immediate resistance है, that would be my first target. Second will be 765. That will be my intraday target. I will maintain a strict stop loss and I will trail. As and when my trade goes in the favor, I will trail. Second, I'm looking at Chambal Fertilizer. You see a good bullish move. And then what we see at the higher price, higher side is a doji. I mean, it's like bulls are losing momentum. You see a volume dropping down here and then immediately following up with a red candle and a red volume, making it a bearish engulfing setup at the higher price. So now if I see a price coming or dropping down below 457.55 at maximum, I will enter a short trade for a quick move and a quick target. You can say on a trailing basis would be 422 and below that can be 400, a psychological level. One can also look for an intraday target around this price. So this can be 437 can be my first target intraday. इसको यहाँ पे shift करते हैं. This can be my second and this can be my third target. So Chambal Fertilizer, I will short below if the stock starts trading below 455. First target 437, second around 422 and उसके भी नीचे slip होता है. Keep trailing unless and until your stop loss has been taken out. The trailing stop loss has been taken out. And if my short side trade is triggered here, I will maintain a strict stop loss around 475. I will short at 455. I will maintain a stop loss at 475 and I will look for a target of at least 430.35. That gives me a risk reward of 1:1 intraday. Moving on, we'll look for Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance on a daily time frame is making a bearish engulfing candle and structure is getting weaker. The weak and the bearish structure will get a confirmation below 1450. Muthoot Finance अगर कल ओपन होते ही फर्स्ट 15 minutes candle start trading below 1450. I will look for a short trade. As per my risk appetite, I will maintain a 25-point stop loss, that is 1475, and then look for a target around 1405 first target, and trailing basis second target 1385. Depending on market move and sentiments tomorrow, look for this trade, and take this video only and only for educational purpose. This is not a trading advice. Please do maintain your own research. Thank you.